Baldy Mountain Outfitters is located in the Duck Mountains of Manitoba, Canada, and is one of the hot spots in North America for hunting trophy, size, and color phase black bears, including chocolate, cinnamon, and blonde. This rolling forested land is filled with lakes, swamps, streams, and known for consistently producing high numbers of bears as well as bears with record dimensions. It also holds some of the highest color phase ratios in Canada. Baldy Mountain Outfitters has one of the largest hunting territory in the Duck Mountains at over 264,000 acres, an exclusive area which no other outfitter is allowed to hunt. With this low-pressure prime hunting area, Baldy Mountain Outfitters is able to provide a sustainable harvest of premium trophy and color phase bears. This area in the Duck Mountains, previously owned by Tom and Debbie Ainsworth of Grand View Outfitters, had a legacy of producing trophy and color phase bears for over 35 years, with many repeat guests. The ideal landscape and virtually no pressure from local hunters also led to high numbers of bears consistently coming to the sites. Baldy Mountain Outfitters now owns and operates from this same area and long-established bait sites. Plus, we have continued to expand its territory.